All right. All right, all right. So you know what? Let's just start just a little bit of walking. And what I'm going to do for the walk is I want to make sure that I also warm up the feet, but I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on footwork. So you might want to just think almost like you're prancing, like a little, like a horse, right? As the horse kind of prances. At least this is how I see a horse prancing. So like kind of point the toes down as you come up. So you're like rolling through the feet. So we can start to just get a little bit of footwork going at the same time. Excellent. Maybe just bring the arms up and down a little bit. Nothing exciting. Yeah, just up and down. Maybe how about even around, just warming up those arms. So I'm going really gently. I'm just like warming up the shoulder joint a little bit. Maybe take them the other way. We're doing a little bit of swim in there. Pointing the toes and flexing. Super good. All right. I'm going to pause that now. Just come into a nice little kind of a wide squat. So let's just squat. Let's go to the side and stick the hip out and then squat another side. Squat. Good. So we kind of warm up in the side hips. Getting that breathing going because the whole idea of this is to warm the body up. Once that warmed up, then the muscles get warm, the fascia's warm, and we know that fascia loves some heat, responds best to heat. Good work. Let's just do one more. We come to the center, just do a little centered squats and up. Squatting up. Do some squats and up. Woo! Yes, yes. How about 3 more? 2 more. And we're going to do a little for the sides. Good. So let's just go out the side. Let's just do 4 of these. You ready? 1. Get that internal rotation of that thigh bone. Last one. Let's go the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4s again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch sides. Now we're going to do it for 2 counts. Here we go. It's 1, 2, switch. 1, 2s again. 1, 2, switch. 1, 2. Good work. Let's just pause. Shake it out. Let's just do a little of our little the pump, which is take it down. You can bring the arms out to the side. We're back, straightening the legs, bending and coming up with an inhale. So let's just do like 5 and then off we'll go. You ready? So here we go. Take it down, straighten the legs, bring it back up and down and up and 3. Big inhale, exhale. And last one. Whew. And up. So good. Let's just make that enough. How's that? All right, so now we're going to start with that wide squat, grabbing your heavy weights, either kettlebell or 2 heavies. We're getting into our wide squat position. Good work. And we're going to go down in 4 counts, hold for 2, pop it up. Okay, feel it in your heels. So here we go. Keeping the chest up. So you're going to drop 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice you do come forward a bit. You're holding and we're popping it up. Good. Let's go again. Here's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 2. Press through the heels and pop it up. Nice work. Down for 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding 1, 2, and up. Great. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding 1, 2. Coming up. And 7, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. Here we go for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Press up. Good work. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding 1, 2. Press it up. Good work. Now, with heavy weights, just bend. You want to bend and just drop it down between the legs. That way you're not taking any of that in your back. And then just move it over. And let's grab, again, fairly heavy weights for the bent over row. So with this one, the feet are going to be pretty close, bending the knees. Elbows are in. Sorry. I do that every time for this first one. You're just having it here. Good. And make sure that you have a nice flat back. You're not rounding. Shoulders up and back. Good. We're going to pull it up. And we hold for 2. Squeeze between the shoulder blades. Take it down in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. Pull up, hold. 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Up for 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. Up for 5. Squeeze those shoulder blades as you hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. Up for 6 and hold. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull up for 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Up for 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 9. Hold. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. We're going back up again. Up. Hold. And take it down. 2, 3, and 4. Good work. Bend the knees. You can even curl up a little bit. Shoulders. We're going back down for that squat again. Heavyweight squat. Woo! Here we go. I'm going to drop down to get my weight. Pulling it up. All right, you guys, same thing again. Everybody ready? Let's take it down. Down in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Press it up. And 2, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Pop it up. Good work. Here we go for 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, and up. Nice. 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Beautiful. And up. And 5, 2, 3, 4. Holding. 1, 2, and up. And 6, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, and up. Anybody starting to feel it? 7, 2, 3, 4. You should be actually. 4, 2, and up. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling it now. 8, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, and up. 2 more. You can do it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Press up. Last one, you guys. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do some up and down. Little up and downs right here. Just little. Just little. And now pop it all the way up. Anybody else feel that in their quads? And drop it on down. All right, we're going back to the bent over rows. So grabbing those weights. Whew. Feet are close together. Bending. Give a little hinge. All right, you guys, you ready? Here we go. We're pulling it up. Squeeze those shoulder blades. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up for 2. And down. 2, 3, 4. Pull it up. 3. Squeeze the blades and down. 2, 3, 4. Up for 4. Yes. And down. 2, 3, 4. Up for 4. And down. 2, 3, 4. Up for 5. Good work. Down. 2, 3, 4. And 6. Hold. And down. 2, 3, 4. And 7. Nice. Down. 2, 3, 4. And 8. Watch your neck to make sure you're looking a little in front. No tension in that neck. Here we go. 9. You're almost done. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Pull it up. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Take it down. 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 And down. Good work. And come up. Shoulders. Beautiful. All right. Guess what? Time to get down on the floor with the ball. So also have a set of your heavier weights for the second move in this series, which are those pull, the rows, chest presses. So have those there. But for the first one, here we go. Now, again, if you don't have a ball, you can do it like this, just a bridge. I would bring my feet in close, lift the heels. So you can do the same thing without the ball. but the ball is nice for a good challenge. So you want those feet together, knees together. You're here, elbows about 45 degrees, so you can kind of press down. And the toes are straight up. So really kind of flex your foot, press the heels in the ground. All right, you guys, you ready? We're lifting straight up. Lift it straight up. Good. And we're going down in 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Press it up. Hold. Down, 2, 3, 4. Push all the way up and down. 2, 3, 4. All the way up. You can do it and down. 2, 3, 4. Halfway, we're up at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up again. That's 6. We're holding. Down. 2, 3, 4. All the way up for 7. Hold. Squeeze those glutes. Down. 2, 3, 4. And 8. And drop. 2, 3, 4. And 9. And down. 2, 3, 4. Last one, you guys. Hold it up. Hold it up. And down. 2, 3, 4. Good work. Roll it in. Nice, you guys. All right. So on this one, you can have the ball there, like your legs can be like 90 degrees, a little bit less. So that's just nice to stabilize that lower back. So make sure you're exhaling, really engaging the lower belly muscles, grabbing your heavy weights. Good. Elbows out about 45 degrees again. And let's start up. So you're going to have a slight bend in those elbows. All right, here we go. Down in 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom, not quite touching if you can, and bring it up and down. 1, 2. Make sure that that lower back is on the ground. 3, 4. Hold there for 1, 2. Press it up. Oh, there's my pecs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold and up and 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Press all the way up and 5, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Press all the way up. Anybody else feeling this like me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Those holds and press them back up are really challenging. Here's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Press it up. We're on to 8. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. And up and down to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Last one. Bring it all the way up. You guys, here we go. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Press all the way up, which is where we started. Then just bend those elbows so the weight comes to the center. Bring them down. Woo! All right, we got to do that series one more time. So take the ball back out again. Toes straight up. You're ready. Let's lift straight up. Here we go. It's up. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press all the way up. Hold. Down. 2, 3, 4. Up for 3 and hold and down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. All the way up for 5 and down. 2, 3, 4. All the way up. 6. Squeeze those glutes and down. 2, 3, 4 and 7 and down. 2, 3, 4. Press all the way up. 8 and down. 2, 3, 4. Now it gets challenging. Here's your 9. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one. Hold it up there. Hold it up there and down. 2, 3, and 4. Woohoo! Pulling that ball in. And let's do our 90 degrees. I was thinking about going lower on these weights, but I'm going to challenge myself. I know I'm going to feel it. So tucking under, bracing that back, bringing those arms up, elbows out to the side. You might even want to lift your head, tuck the chin a little, no pressure on the neck. Let's take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, press it all back up, 2, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, press up, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, press up. Yes, and 3, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, press it up, and 4, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up, and 5, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. Here we go, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, really press that back as you bring it up, and 7, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up, and 8, we're getting there, you guys, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up, and 9, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. Here we go, last one. You should be at fatigue, like you could barely do another one. 3, 4, hold 1, 2, press it up, yes. Bend those elbows and bring those weights to the side, and you can kick that ball to the side. And take your time, we'll roll on over. Excellent, and we're coming up. All right. Guess what time it is? It's that reverse lunge time. I know you're thrilled with that, maybe not, but we're doing them anyway. So you can do a weight, you cannot do a weight. I'm going to do a weight for the first one, and then I'll decide on my second set which way I want to go. So if you have a weight in, you're just going to take, regardless, one leg back, and you're wiggling that puppy back. Hips are square. Make sure that that knee is really to the heel. So you can like be forward a little on the ankle or back. I'd go back a little. All right, so here we go. We're dropping down in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're holding for 2, and we're straightening them both back up. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. And up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure that knee, you can see your toes, and up, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up, and 5. I had to really shift back, I realized, because I was still bringing my knee too far forward, and up. Let's go for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, pop it up. Yes, and 7, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, pop up. Here we go. 8, 1, 2. We're getting there, you guys. Good. Hold 1, 2, press it up, and 9, 2, 3, 4. Watch that front knee. Keep it out this way and up so you don't hurt your knee. So always think a little toe down. 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. I'm going to shift forward so I can put that weight on the ground as I bring that far back leg up and shake those legs out. Woo! You guys ready? We got to go to the other side. I'm going to pick it back up. We'll go to the other side. Take a minute to get yourself in a good place. So for me, I have to really have that back leg pretty far back. So I know that I'm going to feel it on that front quad. So just take a minute, hips are level, and here we go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and pop it up. Good. Down. 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. And 3, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. And 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. And 5, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. Good work. I'm keeping, as you can tell, my other hand on this knee and keeping that knee out to the little toe. It's also supportive to make sure that we don't wiggle around. Let's go 7, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, pop up. And 8, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, and up. Also, try not to let everything pull you down. Keep the chest up, even though you have a weight in your hand. Down, again, pause, and up. I noticed I was starting to let my upper body come down, so really stabilize the upper body. 2 more, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Actually, let's make that one the last one. I'm going to drop that down. Take a minute, bring those legs together. Ooh. Back up. That's a killer, at least it is for me. All right, you guys. Next, we're going back on the floor to the mat for the bent over pullovers. Those are the ones where we take it back and hold and back up again. So typically, you should be able to have a little bit heavier weight for this one. I'm going to use my heavy weight with then a smaller weight. See how that is. Or I might just use this. So we'll just see. Yeah, I don't need that one. All right, so you're back down, you're tucked under, knees are bent. Good, both hands are on the weight. Or you can always use a kettlebell as well. That might be interesting. No, I'm just gonna stay here. All right, so you're up here. Elbows are bent out to the side like you're hugging something. Tail is tucked, no airspace in that lower back as you drop 1, 2, 3. See if you can hold it there without touching, and then bring it back up. And 2, 2, 3, 4, pause, 1, 2, and up. Good, let's go again. 3, 2, 3, 4, pause, 1, 2, and up. And 4, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. And I feel this a lot like in the core. 3, 4, because I'm really making sure that my lower back is pressed and really stretching it and up. That's not the word I wanted to use. I can't come up with my word. 2, 3, stabilize. 4, I guess is a good word. And up, brace. That's the word I was looking for. Let's go 6, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. And God, I've lost count. Let's make this 6. And that was probably 7, wasn't it? Let's go to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold for 2, pop it up. Good work. 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. Woohoo! Bend the elbows. Bring those weights over to the side. Keep them there because we're going to come right back for our second set of those. Coming back up. Alternating lunges. Once again, I'm going to grab something to drink. Now again, feel free. You can have weight or no weight. I'm going to do no weight for my second set. So you guys choose which way you want to go. All right, so I'm just gonna put my weight here, take this down. For me, this move is challenging with weight or without weight. Front knee, keeping it back so you're on your heel, and let's go. Take it up and drop 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. And 2, 2, 3, 4. I can just feel it when I don't have to worry about that weight and press up through that front. So for me, I like it better actually without a weight on the second set. And 4, and 1, 2, press up. And 3, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. And 4, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, press up. Going 5, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. We're halfway. Let's go. We can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. And 7, 2, 3, 4, hold. And up. Let's go. 8, 2, 3, 4, and hold. And up. And 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and up. Last one. Down. 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, pop it up, and bring that low back leg in. Woo. You guys, I gotta say, if I weren't working out with you today, I would have stopped right about there. But no, we're together. We can do it. Let's go to the other side. True confessions. Woo, that would have been like, all right, I had enough. And I'm sweating. All right, let's do this together, you guys. You ready? So we're gonna drop down, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, and straighten. We're on to 2, 2, 3, 4, and hold, and up, and 3, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up, and 4, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up, and 5, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up. We're almost done. Yes, down, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up. Here we go. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up. Oh my gosh. 8, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up. 2 more. Down. We can do it. 3, 4, hold, and up. All right, here we go. Last one of these. 2, 3, 4, hold, and up. Yes. Ah, I'm just going right down from here. I'm going right back down from here, you guys. All right, here we go. Second set with those arms up and back. Woo. All right, I'm gonna switch the hands with these weights. Here we go. Okay, you guys, you ready? Bracing, I got the word this time. Brace that lower back, elbows are bent like you're hugging, chin is tucked. Let's take it back. 2, 3, 4, and hold. Bring it up. Here we go again. 2, 2, 3, 4, hold, and up. And 3, 2, 3, 4. Really brace the lower back, press it up. And 5, 2, 3, 4. Pause, and up, and 6, 2, 3, 4. Hold, and up, and 7, 2, 3, 4. Hold, and up, and 8, 2, 3, 4. Hold, and up. 2 more, you guys. We're almost done. Keep those elbows bent. 2, 3, 4. Hold it there, bracing the lower back, and up. Last one. Down. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Press it up. Bend those elbows. Yes. Come up on your sides. Careful, careful. And now we're going to do those moves from the shoulders and then core. Woohoo! All right, so you might recall this one, and you can sit if that's better. If you like sitting on the ball or on a chair, if that's easier for you, you can do that. So, but I'm going to do it from here. So I'm just going to come here, little bend in the knee. I'm going to drop my tail, lift the girls. Arms are here. So notice I have a slight bend in the elbow. The elbows are in close. My lower arm, my arms though, wrist is way below here. So you're just going to take it like you're serving a plate, straight out to the shoulder. We're going to bend in. We're going to open and bring it back. And 2. In bicep curl, out and down and up and in and up and down. Let's go for 3. 3. And in, and open, and down. 4, in, open, and down. And 5, in, open, and down. Ready for 6? 6, in, open, down. 7, in, open, down. We're almost there. 8, bend, out, and in. Keep the elbows in close. 9, bend, out, and in. And 10, in, open. Let's just do one more for good luck. Open, in, out, and down. Nice work. And give yourself a shoulder roll. So those are long levers to short levers. And we don't like to do too much around the shoulder joint. So we're only doing one set of those. The second one with the short lever, long lever is again, bend the knees. This time you do want to hinge slightly forward. So arching back, shoulders down. So we're just going to take the one out straight, bend the elbows, keep them in, straighten them back out, bring them down. We've done this one before. So let's go again. Take it straight out, bend, out, and all the way down. 3, take it out, bend, elbows in, take it straight out, keep the elbows in close, and down. And 4, bend, out, and down. And 5, in, out, slow down. And 6, notice tempo makes a difference. And 7, bend in, take it out and down. And 8, we're almost there, bend, out and down. 9, in, out and down. Last one, in, out and down. Woo! Aren't you glad we're only doing one set of those? And down those go. Super good, you guys. Okay, so now we're doing core. So from here, we're going to be down on the ground. We're going to be doing some of those planks forearms, okay? If you want to come up on wrist, you can, but forearms so you don't hurt the wrist. First one we're going to be doing is coming down into that nice plank and taking one leg out for 5 and then the other leg out and back for 5. If you can't do this, you can just keep going down and coming up, holding for a second, go down, come up. Every time you come up, you're using the core for bracing. So you have that option. All right, so here we go. Coming down onto the forearms. I'm bringing it out. Think about tailbone drop. So even think tuck tailbone, that should help you stay there. Keep your head in a good alignment. So you take that one leg out and touch. 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5. Then we're going to go the other side. Out and in. 2 and in. 3 and 4 and 5 and drop down. Woo! Just that's challenging after all that upper body work, right? Let's go on to our backs. We're going to do a bit of prancing with our good core pelvic floor. So getting into our bent leg position. You can put the arms straight down or 90 degrees, whatever works for you. And then just think like you're going to, I'll just call this like the Kegel, right? So start Kegel first, then think exhale, everything braces. So you're holding that lower belly down like that, right? Not just belly button to spine, but everything is in. Good work. Then just lift one leg. So knee to ankle, right? And take that knee and just drop it down, other side. Up and down. And 2 and down. Nice. Try not to change the angle of the lower leg. So for me, I just think just lift knee, drop the knee back. Lift the knee, keep both hips on the ground and drop. Lift knee and down, lift knee and down. Here we go for 5, each side. Lift and down, lift and down. Good. 6. Even though this looks easy, it's so not, is it? And remember how much core we've already used to brace ourselves to use all those weights. So we've already really worked hard in that core. So that's why just doing 10 of these each side is a lot. You're going to feel it. And down and lift and down. Just one more each side. Lift and drop and lift and drop. Good work. And whoop, we're going back over on our bellies. We're going back into a forearm plank. And this time we're in a forearm plank and we're going to touch each knee to the ground 5 times. Again, if you can't do this, go down on your knees, hold, drop, lift, drop. All right, so here we go. So coming into that forearm plank. Good. Think about tucking the tail under, get the neck in alignment. So now just touch one knee to the ground and lift. other knee to the ground and lift, trying to keep the hips steady the whole time. And 3 and up. Here we go. Touch 4 and lift, 4 and lift. Touch 5 and up, other side and up. Touch 6 and up, and 6 and up, 7 and up, 7 and up. And if this is enough for you, drop down. Good. 2 more. 9 and up, 9 and up. Last one. 10 and up, 10 and up. Drop knees and shift back into your beautiful child's pose. Side to side for those hips. Nice work, you guys. All right, we're back on our backs now. And we're going to do some side sides with the legs. So arms are right out from your shoulders to stabilize. Bring the knees back up to where we had them, 90 degrees. And you're just going to take those legs over one side. Try not to touch. Bring them up and over other side. Try not to touch. And if you have to, you can do one leg at a time, if that's easier for you. Other side and up. Good work. Here we go for 3. Over and up and over and up. Really working the rotation muscles. 4 and up. 4 and up. 5. Beautiful. 5 and 6 and up. 6 and up. 7 and 7. Good. 8 up. 8 up. 9. Yes. 9. And you're ready. 10 and 10 and up. Good work, you guys. Oh, drop. Who's feeling their quads? We're almost done. Just one last one. Getting on our bellies, keeping the hips down, arms up, legs, and we're going to do just lifts opposite arm to leg. And you can keep your chest up. You can lift your head looking at the ground. So I'm just going to start one leg, opposite arm, and switch, and 2, and switch, and 3, and switch, 4, and 5, and switch, 6, and switch, 7, switch, 8, we're almost done, 9, woohoo, one more inside, you guys, 10, and switch, oh, so good, yes, shifting back, and I'm going to take my knees out wide, shift on back to get a good stretch, even in that inner and outer thigh. Woo! We're done with all the hard stuff, you guys. Yes, you did it. We're just going to do a little bit of cool down. I'm going to shift my hips to one side and bring my arms over the other way. Woo. Up and over, switch. Good. One more time each side. See if you can breathe into that rib cage. Another side. And exhaling there. Good. And now, this is a really nice move to stretch out in the quads. So if you have this in you, you can kind of come over onto the side. Bottom leg is bent for stability, taking the top one from here and pulling back. Right, so it's just a good way. And everybody might have a different place to do it from. But as much as you can pull that knee back, hip forward, and get that good quad stretch, it's a little bit easier. Can you drop your knee, Tammy? Yeah, more like that. And then think tuck and pull back, if you can do that. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Beautiful. And then I'm just going to roll over to the other side, get a quad stretch there. Oh, yeah, the more you can, just like standing, right? The more you can tuck under, keep the knee in alignment with the hip, and then take your hand, really try to pull that heel to your tush. And that will stretch out and lengthen that whole front quad muscle all the way and around the knee. So that's a really nice one. All right, so from here, I'm going to roll over. How about if we just do a quick kneeling stretch for those hip flexors? So I'm just going to get into that kneeling stretch, but just a nice one. I might take this out a little bit like our yin dragons. If that feels good, maybe even bring a leg out and flex, hips back for some hamstring stretch. And switch. Yeah. Super good. Shifting back, getting a hamstring stretch, always nice. Good. I'm going to put hands on the inside of this. Shift back. And you can stay down there and stretch, or I'm going to come up and end the class. Woo! Nice work, you guys. Might feel a little shaky after that, but as we know, in about 5-10 minutes, you'll be fine again.